Hello, Red Knights. Mr. Hantek here with one last Schoology help video before we move on into Office 365. This one's about messaging teachers. So let's do some imagining on Joe's part right here. Let's say Joe, as he was looking through his applied English grades, saw that he was missing some assignments that he could have sworn he submitted. What Joe should probably do is contact me through Schoology's Messenger. This is just one way to do it. I'll demonstrate emailing in Teams in other videos. One thing Joe can do is go to his messages and click New Message. The toolbar is easy. All you have to do is start typing in a name. So I think I'm labeled first. I think teachers are labeled first and last. That's interesting. So if you type in Ben, I appear as Mr. Hantek. What happens if you type in Mr. Marshall? That's interesting. But not Mr. Hantek. That's weird. But last names are a better way to go anyway, right? So Joe wants to reach me. He types in Hantek. Notice that a subject bar is required. He might title his like missing work. And then from there, Joe can type in his message to me, right? Hello, Mr. H. I noticed blah, 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 right? Couple of things to notice about messages. It is possible to attach files. So let's say one of the missing assignments that Joe noticed is one that he thought he submitted as a file. He could just as easily attach that file right here and say, here it is, I don't know what happened, but can you grade it this way? And I'll say, sure thing, Joe. That's one way that Schoology allows us to be accommodating. Notice that you can also attach links this way and use an audio-video recorder. So let's say it's just much easier to get your point across by actually saying it out loud. Use the audio recorder. That's a way that you can deliver almost like a voicemail to your teacher through Schoology's Messenger. Messenger is great if you want to ask a quick question for your teachers. I would not use it to ask for extensive help. We'll cover emailing and using Microsoft Teams and other videos. And then from there, I can hit send. I'm not actually going to do that because I'll confuse Joe. But that is how you send messages, not just to teachers, but you can also do it for other students. Also notice that you can message multiple people at the same time. So let's say Joe is missing assignments in multiple classes. Let's say he was missing it for Mr. Marshall. Oh, come on. Can I do that? Let's try C-bar. Yep. So then from there, you can just keep adding recipients from there. If you're working with on a group project or something, use everyone in your group. There's a lot of possibilities on Schoology's Messenger.